Meaning of easternmost.
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 Easternmost. Easternmost refers to the geographic location that is furthest east in a certain region or territory. It represents the point of reference for measuring distances and directions towards the east. For example, in a country or continent, the easternmost point would be the location situated at the farthest edge of the landmass towards the east. It is an important geographical marker as it helps in navigation, delineating boundaries, and understanding the extent of a region. The term may also be used figuratively to describe the most extreme or radical position on a certain issue or topic.